love it, but I need your lips on mine. Can you kiss me more?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show y'all how to install these bomb locks from Toyotress, and here I am just showing you everything they included in the package. They did include a crochet needle, and they sent me 8 packs of this gorgeous butterfly lock hair. And so this is just me showing y'all. I smelled it to make sure it didn't have a smell, and I used 5 out of those 8 packs for my hair today. Here's a thank you note they sent. It was super cute. And they also sent some charms for the locks to add a little razzle dazzle. They sent the bonnet, which was a plus, and it's also reversible, so it's purple on this side and it's black on the other side. And then it even comes with a little adjustable strap so you can make it tighter or looser. Here I am showing y'all. Okay, boom, so let's get into this tutorial. As y'all can see, these butterfly locks came out so good. I was pleasantly surprised, and they are perfect for the summertime. So first, I started off by making sure my parts were extra crispy using the Shine Jam. It's the red version. I think it's the Braiders edition. So that's what I use, but of course you can use any kind of braid gel that'll make your hair super slick. Then I'm just gonna start off by braiding my hair, you know, taking 3 little pieces and just plaiting it down, but I'm not gonna do this all the way down. I'm gonna go like 1/3 of the way down, and then once I feel like I'm at a good stopping point, I'm just gonna combine 2 of those pieces and then twist it the rest of the way down like a 2-strand twist. And I did this just to save time because this was already like a 6-hour process, and of course, you know, twisting is a lot faster than braiding, so you just need to braid the top so that the crochet will be in there securely, and then you can twist it the rest of the way down like you see me doing here. Like I said, it don't have to be Shine Jam, but make sure you use some kind of braiding gel, because that's going to be the key to having a really slick style. Like, even if your part's not super straight, even if they're a little crooked, you put that Shine Jam on, it's going to elevate the style. And that was me just showing y'all a couple more times. And don't do your braids too tight, because you need to be able to crochet the lock through. This is the butterfly lock, and what you're going to do is open up the loop on it. Put the crochet hook through your root. Hook the loop on. And of course you want to close that hook. Make sure you are closing the hook because you do not want it to snag on your hair and pull anything out. And then once you pull the lock through, you're going to open that loop up and then pull your real hair through. After that, you just want to pull the lock all the way down. Make sure you get the loop back to the root. And you do not have to pull and snatch. I promise it looks harder than it actually was, y'all. I was not like, you know, snatching my hair. But after you get it at the root and it's secure, you want to take some free tress water wave hair, and I just used 1 piece per lock, and I did use the 22-inch just to make sure I would have enough to wrap around the whole length of my natural hair. But after you spread it out, you know, to make it easier to wrap, you're just going to crochet that through the roots as well, like so. Then you're just going to take one side, and you can line it up with your real hair however you want to do it, but just make sure you leave the longer side to wrap with, and that you have enough to wrap with and cover your natural hair. And then you're going to wrap it a few times at the roots. Only wrap it like 2 or 3 times at the roots, because it is going to get tighter as you keep wrapping down, like you see me doing here. And then you do want to make sure that when you get to the little butterfly knots, like you see right here, just go around those and continue wrapping all the way down. You don't want to cover those up because that's what gives it the cute butterfly lock effect. So just keep wrapping and wrapping. And then once you get to the end, you want to start wrapping back upward. And whenever you completely run out of hair, you just want to put the lock in between your palms and kind of roll them together like you see me doing here. And that's just going to seal everything in place and make sure nothing comes out. Like, you don't need to super glue it or nothing, just palm roll it. So I'm about to show y'all one more time in real time. You want to crochet that lock through at the root. And then open up the loop and put your real hair through it. Then make sure you pull it all the way through so that the loop is back at the root. And that's just gonna make sure that it's in there securely, and you can get like a seamless look. When you start wrapping, it won't be super bulky at the root. Then you want to take your free tress water wave hair, just one piece for each lock. Make sure you spread it out good so it'll be easier to wrap. Then you want to crochet that hair in as well. Then you can line up the one shorter side with your real hair and then pull the longer side down and start to wrap it. And then you wrap it a couple times at the root and then just continue to wrap down the lock, making sure that you go around the little butterfly knot. And as you can see, it's not super bulky at the root. It's just a smooth lock. Then once you get to the end, wrap it back upward. And once you completely run out of hair, just roll it between your hands. And it should look like this. So I'm just gonna let y'all keep watching me finish off the hair. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Also, I would definitely suggest to, if you want to leave some edges out, go ahead and brush them out while you're doing it. And it just makes it easier once you get to the end. But yeah, y'all can watch me finish my hair up and y'all will see the finished look at the end.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other brother, you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's nothing I do. One night, not this one show. If I can't have you, no one should. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love you though. Rather be in jail than alone. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love you though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gon' be evidence. The sex is evidence. I try to rationate you, no murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the moment like it was.
Alright y'all, here is the finished look. It's perfect for the summertime and it lasted me so long. It honestly looked even better the older it got. This is how long it was, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.